It has been said that character is the foundation for all true success. A person may have money, position, or power, but unless he has good character, he or she is not considered to be truly successful. On a more immediate and practical level, our character is what really determines our success in any area of life. Our character guides our responses to any situation or circumstance in our life. It is why we do the things we do, and it is why we do the things the way we do them. Since how we respond to the various things that come up is what will determine the results we get, it follows that the success we have in any endeavor are determined by our character. Character really does determine our success in life. We usually don't think of character as having a direct effect on our successes or failures. But when we consider the individual qualities that together make up our character, we can easily see that it does. Students can often succeed with better grades by being diligent to study and work problems every day, and by showing endurance when he or she is tired and would like to quit. Magic Johnson, one of basketball's all-time great players, developed his skills in part by practicing every day as a youth. He demonstrated determination and persistence. Abraham Lincoln became president after repeatedly losing elections for lower offices. His character was such that he would not give up.